Is or are. What we need now, blank, more transparent, honest leaders. Alam ko maraming titingin sa leaders, and since leaders ay plural, ang iisiping sagot ay are. What we need now are more transparent, honest leaders. Pero hindi talaga leaders ang subject ng sentence na to. Ang subject ng sentence na to ay this one. What we need now. Yang buo na yan. And yes, this is another example of a clausal subject. Yang buo na yan, isang clause yan. And this clause functions as our subject. Therefore, yang buo na yan, yan yung pagbabasihan natin ng verb agreement dito. And again, kung meron tayong clausal subject, singular yan lagi. Kahit pa yung nasa dulo na tinutukoy niya ay plural. Huwag niyong intindihan yung nire-refer niya sa dulo. Basta meron kayong clausal subject, singular agreement. So, the answer is letter A. Please lang, ayusin na natin pagpili ng leaders.